You all know this masterpiece from Botticelli, which is the allegory of spring, conserved in Uffizi galleries. Imagine that this masterpiece, the image, is powered with technology, and so you can fill the gap between education and art. Okay, I'm Marco Cappellini. I'm CEO and co-founder of VirtuItaly, and with ArtCentrica, we want to fill this gap. We want to bring art to schools and universities. So, fill the gap between education and technology, provide this tool to improve the soft skills of students, because more and more they are needed for the fast global challenges. And at the same time, art is a universal language for human empowerment, so for creativity, empathy, and other soft skills. The trends that we see in education and technology is that it's driven more and more by content consumption, customized experiences, and learning paths. And also we see the transition from science, technology, engineering, and mathematics to STEAM. So art is adding to these traditional themes. ArtCentrica is a cloud application that helps learners to see art through multiple lenses and make connections across nature, places, history, and culture. And ArtCentrica already includes major museum collections like Uffizi Galleries, Brera Museum, Metropolitan Museum, Rijksmuseum, Graphical Central Institute in Rome, and many other museums that are in the pipeline. Our value proposition is to provide to teachers and students the opportunity to appreciate art in any detail with thematic exploration, both in the classroom as well as in remote mode. And as you see, you can virtually measure a distance on the surface of a painting, or you can visually search for a specific element like a jewel and retrieve all the other works of art and detail of works of art that contain a jewel, and create thematic lessons that can be deployed in any device. The market is estimated in $1.3 billion for schools and universities, and we want to reach this market through a network of ambassadors that we are creating in the next 4-6 months. In 24 months, 30 months, we want to reach also the home market through business partners. We have also started working with major educational institutions like National Geographic Society, Brera Museum, and many others with specific vertical projects. Our business model is based on a yearly recurring fee that is dimensioned connected with the duration of a contract and the number of devices connected with the license. And in a few months, we want to introduce also a freemium in-app purchase mobile app. With this business model, we innovate also the museum business model, because part of the revenues of ArtCentrica go to the museum. The management team is composed by myself and 2 colleagues of mine with 20 years experience in art and technology. So a great experience and know-how, and an interdisciplinary team that spans from art historians, teachers, developers, experts in user interface, and so on. Our recent award is Best Geography Special Track in Global EdTech Startup Awards, provided by National Geographic. And just 10 days ago, Impact EdTech, we are one of the winners, and this will help us bring in ArtCentrica in European schools. We are seeking for a fund of $1.5 million as a first round to create a first customer base of 1,150 customers, and at a later stage, another round of $2.5 million for reaching 20 million revenues at the end of the third year. So basically, we are providing a new experience with art and more to schools, universities, and at a later stage at home. Thank you very much for your attention.